Shelli, the almond toe shoe is very 2010. How is that even possible? I just bought them. They're literally all over every major retailer. They sell it because people buy it. That was a discussion from 3 years ago that I had with my personal stylist. That was also my light bulb moment. Have you ever noticed what influencers or style experts will say is outdated? You still see it at Nordstrom. They're not in the business of selling you what's in style. They're in the business of selling you what sells. And what happens is people have their favorite things and they buy them year after year after year. So retailers, responding to what people are buying, stock the shelves with them. Knowledge is power, and once you know that, you will shop differently. Styles come and go so darn fast that unless you're in the industry, most people don't know if you're wearing last year's denim. Today, it's all about what not to wear. These 8 are the styles that are so ubiquitously outdated, people will generally notice. Okay, y'all, let's do this. Hervé Leger tight. The Hervé Leger bandage dress with their deliciously sexy body hugging fit. Can you tell I used to wear these? Seen on literally every celebrity imaginable. These dresses were so hot for so long, but no more. They definitely scream 2010. I'm using Hervé Leger as an example. The point is, any dress or outfit that clings on super tight for dear life is dated and out. That means an outfit with tight pants and a tight shirt, tight dresses, tight skirt and top. That doesn't mean you need to wear a muumuu. I have for you 3 fresher options to put in your arsenal to use depending on your mood and the situation. Number 1, relaxed body skimming. For times when you want to accentuate the body and show all your hard work in the gym, choose pieces that skim your curves versus clinging to your curves. Number 2, opposites. A very fitted top means a looser, slouchier bottom, and vice versa. This is an also much classier, more tasteful way to style your clothes. Finally, tastefully slouchy, relaxed, but doesn't swallow your body in fabric. Obvious branding. Shoes and bags are the biggest offenders, with designers plastering their logos everywhere, turning the masses into walking billboards. In short, we pay to advertise for them. Everybody dutifully bought into the logo trend to show, well, that they could afford the bag. Listen, when everybody has a YSL, it's no longer exclusive. The whole huge logo branding thing is overdone, dated, and out. Instead, choose high quality pieces that stand out on their own, void of any obvious branding. Any branding that is done is very, very, very unobtrusive. I can't tell you how many bags and shoes I begrudgingly passed over because the designer plastered their name and logo all over it and it just ruined the design. So you know what? They lost a sale. Distressed, ripped denim in every iteration. Shorts, skirts, crops, slouchies, styled casually, dressed up, anything. The look has become so overdone, so oversaturated, and if you doubt me, I have 2 words for you. See Pinterest. Women are finally over it, and thankfully, distressed, ripped denim has achieved seriously dated status. That doesn't mean ditch a cool denim look. Instead, choose denim with either a slouchy or a fitted, relaxed silhouette, void of rips, tears, and fringed hems. Those are all a no. To keep it on the polished end, a mid-wash is the very lightest that I will go, and I usually opt for a more darker denim. The darker the denim, well, really the more flattering it is, and I think just the more tasteful and chic it is. Camo, anything. I have never personally been a fan of camo, but I know it was a thing for a very long time. Camo t-shirts, tops, joggers, painter's pants, in every camo color combination available. Now it's just a dated look. Instead, choose solid colors, classic prints, or patterns. Uncomfortably high heels. I get the appeal of a gorgeous high heel on date night. Trust me, I'm a fan. I have loved them for many, many years, but you gotta be able to walk freely and comfortably. Not being able to do so is just dated, and honestly, it just makes you look like a ding dong, even if you're not. On trend for 2024, peep toe, mules, and boots were all over the runway in all heel shapes and heights. If you're super fashion forward, these would look great on you. I am slightly on the fence because I have short, fat toes and they may not look very attractive. But I'm gonna at least order a pair and try them on. I'll let you know what I think. Ballet flats and loafers are still in with the addition of a platform. The ones on the runway were so obnoxiously high. They're legit ankle twisters. I personally will not go that high. That's a no for me, but I am definitely partaking in this trend. It's one of my favorites. I'll probably do a 1 or 2 inch platform. Third, a kitten heel with such a short little tiny nub of a heel. It's almost not. Pointed toe on mules and boots too. Finally, my favorite new one, because it says Boss Lady. Look at this knife edge toe. I think this is so flipping cool. I'm definitely trying one. Denim with embellishments. Okay, do you guys remember the Bedazzler? Remember they were selling it at 3 o'clock in the morning? You would put it on all your jackets and your jeans and it was like, you know, you look like Rhinestone Cowboy. Any kind of embellishment on jeans, shirts, skirts, dated, tired, it is a no. Remember what my stylist told me? They sell it because people buy it. This jacket currently offered on Bloomingdale's. These jeans currently offered on Reformation. Just because they're on a website doesn't mean they're stylish. They're super dated, y'all don't do it. Petal pushers. Okay, my grandpa lived in Yuma, Arizona, where a ton of retirees that they call snowbirds flock every winter because it's nice and warm. Every single adorable little old lady would wear her pedal pushers and some form of a sandal. That's not you. I am sure they'll come back around at some point. For this time, it's a no. And honestly, next time they come back around, it'll still be a no. Instead, try its much more stylish sister, the Capri pant. It's one of the most wearable trends that I talked about in our last video. Fresh, chic, flattering, and so easy to style. UGG boots. Cozy, warm, and exactly what you want on a cold morning. I completely get it. If they're still in your closet and you just can't bear to get rid of them, fine. Wear them around the house or sprint super fast to and from the coffee shop before anybody sees you. And that's the tea. And until a couple days from now, I'll see y'all soon. Happy shopping. Bye.